Hello YouTubers out there, and welcome to this amazing video. So in today's video we are going to take a look at what exactly Python Flask is all about. So Flask is a free, high-level and open source web framework that lets you develop web applications easily. Now, it was developed by Ronacha, who led a team of international Python enthusiasts called POCO. So according to Ronacha, the idea was originally an April Fool's joke that was popular enough to be turned into a serious application. So Flask has a small and easy to extend core that does not include extras like an ORM, which stands for Object Relational Mapper. It doesn't also have user authentication or such features. However, Flask does have many cool features like URL routing, a template engine, and many other features to compensate for the extras that it doesn't come included with. So now that we've gotten all of this out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the main features of Flask. So even though the Flask micro framework does not include most of the extras or tools needed for web development, it however has these main features, which are the basic tools needed for web development, and also more other Python modules can be used in conjunction with these main components we are about to talk about. So Webzech is a German word which means tool, and Webzech is basically a Python programming language library which is used as a toolkit for the Web Server Gateway Interface Protocol. Now, the Web Server Gateway Interface Protocol is a specification for a universal interface between web servers and also web applications. Again, Webzech is one of the most advanced Web Server Gateway Interface modules that contain various tools and utilities to facilitate web application development. So now let's take a look at Jinja. Now, Jinja is also a template rendering engine for the Python programming language, and it is licensed under a BSD license. So similar to the Django web framework, Jinja handles templates in a sandbox. Now, it renders the web pages for a web server with any specified custom content given to it by the web server. And so Flask renders its HTML-based templates using Jinja version 2. Now let's talk about Markup Save. So Markup Save is a string handling library for the Python programming language. And Markup Save escapes characters, so it is safe to use them in HTML or XML. So normally characters that have special meanings are replaced so that they display as the actual characters. This is done to mitigate injection attacks like cross-site scripting attacks and all the other forms of scripting attacks that are out there, meaning untrusted user input can safely be displayed on a page without any worries at all. So the last main component of Flask which we are going to talk about is It's Dangerous. So It's Dangerous is a save data serialization library for the Python programming language. And so this Python programming language library is used to store the session of a Flask application in a cookie without allowing users to tamper with the session contents. Alright guys, so that sums it up for this particular video, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. And if you actually enjoyed watching this video, I urge you to click on the subscribe button because it encourages me to create more of these kinds of videos. And if you have any questions at all about anything I said in this particular video, do feel free to leave that in the comment section below. So see you in the next video. Bye.